Hey guys, thanks for joining me for this brief tutorial. The purpose of today's tutorial is to briefly show you, those of you out there who have Joomla-based websites, how or where to go in your admin area in order to edit some of the content you see on your website. Now, you're always welcome to go into the admin area of your site and explore, look around, and probably pretty quickly you'll become acclimated to where things are and pretty easily be able to figure things out for yourself. But this is just to give you a little jump start to help you know what to look for and how Joomla works, just briefly. Now obviously sometimes editing content or adding different things on your Joomla site will vary depending on maybe some of the extensions or add-ons you have installed. But basically Joomla works in the way I'm going to describe, so in 90% of the cases this is will apply to your situation. Now let's say we're looking here at the home page of a Joomla site and we want to edit one of these informational boxes we see on this page. Well, any informational boxes or areas you see on a Joomla website, such as on the home page here, or perhaps on one of the other pages on a sidebar, is going to be managed by what Joomla calls modules. So in Joomla, this area would be a module, this area would be a module, and even this image rotator would be a module as well. The menu itself is located in a module, and even my logo is located in a module. Any informational boxes you see in the sidebar of a page, guess what? They're located in a module. Now, where do we find modules? Well, in the admin area of your website, in Joomla, you're going to find something called extensions. Click this, and under extensions, you'll find what we call is a module manager. On going here, you're likely going to see a number of different modules installed on your website. Sometimes the titles of the modules directly correspond to what you see on the front end of your site. Well, because the titles are optional as to whether they're displayed, sometimes you have to click around a little bit, open and close, until you figure out what particular module has the content you're looking for. Now in this case, I know that the module here, I know exactly where it's at, and let's open it up and see if we could just take a brief look at it. So here, the home page feature row, if I click that module and open it up, you'll see basically in this custom HTML module an editor screen where I can go ahead and delete, add different kinds of text and content. Once I'm done, I just hit save to save the screen and leave this open for continued editing, or hit save and close in order to finish what I'm doing. Now, if you're on a particular page of your site though, and you want to edit the content that is the primary area of your page, not in a module or a sidebar, for example, these areas, Joomla gets the content for these areas from articles. Let's go ahead and show you where those are. On the admin of your website, you can find the articles that comprise the major part of most pages in the content menu under Article Manager. So we'll go ahead and go to Content Article Manager, and here we're going to see a list of the articles that are in our website. Now this particular article is entitled My Tools and Design Gadgets. Well, in the admin area of our website, guess what we see here? The title of that particular article. If I want to edit it, I simply click to open and edit using the text editor that's installed on my site. When I'm done, save and close, and any edits I make should be reflected once I refresh the page on the front end of my site. So just to briefly recap, Joomla displays content in one of two basic ways, either through the use of modules or informational boxes you'll see around the content area of your pages, or through articles where it gets the content for the main parts of most pages. Alright, thanks and have a great day.